Testing. Is this thing on? Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. Back with another video, man. I know it's been a long time, dog. I don't really know what to say, but we here today with a short little video on just refurbishing some little sun visors. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all something, you know. Monte Carlo got a few parts here and now. I really been working, man. You know what I'm saying? I really been working. Life been lifing, but you know, we're gonna give y'all something today, so hang tight. Alright, so yeah, here we go. We got two old visors that I got in need of some work. They all in need of work. So we're gonna do a little something of these today. That being said, I'm gonna tell y'all what to use that I've had good results with, which is the sim, man. That sim, that color right there, that burgundy. This is close to OEM as you gonna get. You know, I know they had the other one, that duplicate color or whatever. That be trash. This is the one, and it costs a little more, but this be worth it. So we're gonna get in this and get this color right. So hold on 1 second. I never shook this up, but we're gonna do it today. So anyway, while I'm sitting up here shaking this, I've been just trying to get my stuff together. I got some few parts. I got some things I want to do, a little more content I'm trying to do for you guys. And you know, I just took a break a little bit. Sometimes, you know, you getting tired. You know, if you a real person who do your cars, do your own work, sometimes you get tired of your car and you just want to, you know what I mean, take a little break. So that's what I did, but I feel a little better about it. I got a few things I'm gonna do. So we're gonna get started on this. Take this sand, man, and get it just hitting it. You know what I'm saying? Get you a light little coat. We're gonna leave this one so I can have the before and after. Get you a light little coat. Make sure you be done. Make sure, I ain't say that, but make sure you clean this stuff out. Clean your visor out. Make sure you clean it out. You don't want to have a dirty visor, dog. So make sure you clean that guy out. You're gonna have him looking like something when I'm done. You know what I'm saying? You sitting here, I don't know why it's acting like it's empty. We're gonna let that dry. I'll cut you guys back on in a minute, so hang tight. Alright, look at the before and look at the after. This is the before, this is the after. They look like two totally different visors. I don't know why the camera ain't picking up. I guess it's getting a little dark out here, so, but they look like two different visors. That one, this one. This sim is the move, man. It does great. I'm gonna go ahead and finish these guys up and show you the after of the whole thing. Put y'all back on in a second. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is the final look, and it's just a budget. If you on a budget and you just trying to do a little touch-up stuff, it's just something to do when you on a budget. Of course, I can buy some damn visors. Of course, I can buy some visor, guys. I just wanted to give you guys something, you know what I'm saying? Just something to do, something you can see when you on a budget. Get that sim, clean them up, and then just hit them with the paint. It'll come out good. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look great in there. You know what I'm saying? At top of my visors and these OEM visors. If you run the classic stuff now, if you're trying to do something else, then you know what to do. But I just wanted to give you guys that. So yeah, anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the video. I got more content coming. Finally, I'm gonna start filming some more. So I'm gonna bring you guys some more content finally. I guess we out of this funk. We out of this funk. So yeah, I'm gonna start making more videos. Just sometimes the shops get backed up. You don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself. It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. Share the video, like the video, subscribe, man. Let's go. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment. Appreciate it.